I'm Bill Norris with Stivers Heating and Air Conditioning. We're located at 3902 Bishops Lane in Louisville, Kentucky. Stivers Heating and Air Conditioning was founded by the three Stivers brothers in 1950. I started working for Stivers back in 1974, carrying on the same tradition that we always had, and we own and operate a family-operated company. It's mostly satisfying the customers. That's what I really enjoy. I like challenges. I like going out to a customer's home where they've had difficulty in heating the upstairs versus the downstairs, and being able to offer them a solution. I think it's our service that sets us apart from any other company. We offer very quick, quality service and stand behind our work, satisfaction guaranteed, 100%.